Jocelyn. Thank you. Good morning, part 2.
Oh my god.
I'm so sore. We have breakfast at 8:30, so we have plenty of time. It is now 8:14 and we're about to go eat breakfast. We're dead.
Isn't this grape?
I hate you, Megan. We are on the way to the truck to get our instruments, and we are going to be performing at Mondavi. It's a winery place in Napa Valley. Performance, so I got the turkey sandwich. And what did you get?
You seem to not be hungry.
I
got a turkey sandwich.
Same. What did you get, Rachel?
Rachel, I got a salad because I'm healthy.
Are you trying to criticize my lifestyle?
Yeah, of course.
I like Rachel because I'm healthy. Sorry.
We are getting ready for our cruise.
We only do a little bit at a time.
We done. Show your face real quick, and then like go here. Yeah. Dawn is so ready and pretty. So Jocelyn is doing it right now. And Rachel is the model.
3,
8,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
my back is like backwards.
So do like 12 for her hair because it seems to curl really easily. Oh.
And then this is Jocelyn's dress.
That's really good.
That's 10.
That was
Did you do
10.
10?
This is Rachel's dress.
I think the 15 was better.
And then Dawn is over here. Very pretty. And we are ready.
Oh. Hello. Guys, this is so exciting. I get seasick like hell, so
Fun.
I don't. No, I don't get seasick. I don't get seasick.
Oh wait, I'm like alone.
I was gonna make a joke about like throwing up
No,
everywhere.
where we're going.
It's raining.
We just played
Where are we going?
many rounds of 20 questions and that other game. I just don't know what it's called. Concentration.
Where are we going? Thank you.
Hurry up.
I think it's this one. That one?
Yeah.
The door's open.
Yeah. Welcome aboard.
Ooh.
I'm afraid I'm gonna like trip.
Same. Thank you. Ooh. Yes.
Welcome aboard.
Hello.
Welcome aboard.
Whoa.
Dude, it smells so good.
What do you think of this, Rachel?
It smells really good.
I'm so hungry. No idea. Alright, so we're seated and I'm here with Rachel, Megan,
Biggest fan.
Jocelyn, and Dawn. How's it?
It's really good.
We're moving.
I don't know what I'm eating, but it's really good. Yeah,
Are you gonna eat soon? Oh yeah. Yeah, this is my plate. Okay, so we're on top deck. It's raining.
It's raining. Which one of you
And
guys gonna kiss your date in
this
the
is the
rain?
view though.
Megan, you go first.
Look at this.
I surrender.
This is the view that we get from the deck. Oh,
Have mercy on our
Titanic. Well, we're on the deck now and we're going to the dance floor. Oh my gosh. Rip Rachel, dessert bar! Dessert bar!
I was there for like a solid 5 minutes.
We're in the dessert bar part 2. Over partying.
Yeah, because I don't care about this.
I wanted to.
Let's go eat. Okay, which one?
What do I want this time?
Yeah. Is that tea? Wait, vanilla bean. Yo. Bro.
I'm having fun tonight.
What is that? What flavor is that?
Yes, the green tea. Wait, I'm taking.
Do we have pockets?
I know.
You gonna have another midnight snack?
Yes, I want that.
I have no idea what's going on there, but we have Rice Krispies, so we're happy.
I have to run it.
It's not in photos. It's not. Nope.
No, can't do it to myself.
Is this Melinda Vlogs? Hello.
I think it's the rainwater.
The rainwater is what makes it like authentic, you know? That's how you know
like a
when it's raining.
glare now.
She's trying to take us away. Let's go.
They're trying to take us to dance. It's inappropriate. I don't like it.
I don't like it either.
See, we don't need party to make it a party.
This is our outfit.
This
Yeah.
is Jocelyn braided hair. Copyright.
Yes. Walking advertisement for Jocelyn's salon. Jocelyn and Dawn's salon.
Yeah. I didn't do anything to my hair though.
Pretty. Where do you want to go next?
Go back upstairs?
Yeah.
Oh, there you are. I'm sorry.
We went to check it out. It's like there's a lot of sofas there, and the teachers are down there
Oh, wait, yes.
playing blackjack.
Your turn. Ready? You cut the deck. Set the deck. Too slow.
Rachel.
Alright, so here. You're gonna deal, and notice, you're gonna deal 26 cards face up in a knee stack. Okay, now turn them over, the whole stack, put it on the bottom of that stack. Good. Now deal 3 cards face up, 1 for 3. Okay, good. Now we're gonna make these cards equal 10 by dealing face cards down. This already equals 10, okay, because it's a face card. 8, 9, 10. Now 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now add up the top. What do you get? The whole top, add up the top. What do you get? 19. So deal 18 cards right there. The next card you turn over, the 19th card, will be the 9 of spades. You did it. I didn't.
I'm here with Dawn, and I think she's dragging me to the desk. Look at that. And we didn't have to dance. Yay.
Well, the dessert bar was kind of overhyped, but
You guys didn't want to dance. Sad people. It is my job.
Where we were at the snack bar. Stop focusing. Okay, there we go.
Where are we looking?
I don't know. Mirror, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm... One, two, three. Jocelyn!
oh, is this
Ready?
it's Viking?
Okay, 1, 2, go!
Giant head, obviously. What? Oh, I love it. All right, 1, 2, 3.